Congrats, either you just picked up a Nintendo Switch 2 or are planning to get one soon. Chances are you will eventually be taking on the go. And when this happens, maybe on a trip or vacation, you will probably want to play on a hotel TV or even live stream on the go. When you take those devices, you're usually gonna take the power for your console yourself, in case my Switch 2 right here, the power, and the dock. In this case right here, I have a D-brand case right here on my Switch 2, which actually makes me to have to take this extra part, which makes a lot of more stuff to take with me. And if you wanted to live stream or record, you take also a capture card, so one more device right here to take, plus the cables to connect everything else. Now, this video is about an accessory that I always recommended for AverMedia, which is this right here, the Elite GO Pro. This device right here is actually going to be a place the charger, your dock, and your capture card, because this device right here does all that for you and actually save a lot of space in your backpack while you're traveling. Now, just a heads up, this is not a sponsored video. I actually bought this product myself and I genuinely think it's a great device to have for any handheld console, including the Nintendo Switch 2, which is one of the tested and I review on this video. As always, I recommend checking out multiple reviews before making your final decision, but if you find this video helpful and decide to pick one up, I have added our Amazon affiliate link on the description down below of this video, which helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Now, about the pricing of the AverMedia Elite GO Pro. It's listed at $129.99 for the white version and $119.99 for the black version. From what I've seen on their official website and Amazon, both versions are identical in performance. The only difference is basically the color. So unless white is your preferred look for this device, you may want to save some few bucks and grab the black one. Upon opening the box, you'll find a printed simple connection diagram to help you get started. Inside, you'll get the Elite GO Pro, which is a white version for this video, a high-speed USB-C to USB-C cable, and 2 interchangeable AC plugs for Europe and UK, which is great for travelers. The Elite GO Pro is packed with multiple inputs and outputs. First, you have the USB-C 1 port, which is used for both video input and charging up to 100 watts. Then a USB-A port, great for connecting a USB mic, mouse, or keyboard, followed by a HDMI 1.4 port that supports up to 4K 60 pass-through, and a USB-C 2 port, which can be used to connect the device to your PC for video capture up to 1080p 60 and also charging up to 100 watts. This compact device right here combines 3 essential tools in one, which is the Nintendo Switch 2 dock, a charger, and a capture card, so it's perfect for traveling since you need to carry few accessories anyway. To set up this device is super quickly and super easy. First, use the included white USB-C cable to connect it to the bottom USB-C port of your Switch 2 to the USB-C 1 port on the Elite GO Pro. Second, plug your USB mic or other peripherals into the USB-A port. Third, use the HDMI cable that comes with the Switch 2 to connect it from the Elite GO Pro to your TV or monitor. And last, 4, to record or live stream, connect a separate USB-C cable from the USB-C 2 port on the Elite GO Pro to your PC, which sends both audio and video to OBS, Streamlabs, Melt Studio, or any other broadcast software. Now, one important thing note that you need to know is the Elite GO Pro only includes one USB-C cable, so you will need a second high-speed USB-C to USB-C cable for PC connection. I have a link, the exact one that I use and recommend, on the description down below through our affiliate link as well. Once everything is connected, you're all set to play in any TV or monitor and live stream on the go, all without dragging around all the full dock setup, charger, and capture card. That means that more space will be in your travel bag for stuff that really matters. So now, if you're going to be using this for charging, there are 3 different modes that I wanted to explain the capability for charging with this device. So over here, if you see right here, the first one here is say max 100 watts. Usually you can actually power and charge up to 100 watts if you only connected one cable right here, or one device to charge. Over here you can charge up to 5 watts, which is the USB-A, and a bottle up to 100 watts if you only connected a single device. Now if you're going to use 2 different ports to connect it, you're actually going to split the watts charge over here. So if you connected 2 devices, one in the bottom and in the top, you're only gonna get up to 45 watts. Now if you connect the 1 and a 5 watts in the top one, you're gonna get 100 in the top and 5 on the bottom, so that's fine. Now if you wanted to do in the bottom, you can get 100 watts up to 100 watts charge in the bottom and 5 watts on the USB-A. Now if you're going to use USB-A and all the other ports to charge, both top and bottom go up to 45 watts, and this one right here, USB-A, up to 5 watts. So that means that when you use the 2 USB-C on this charger right here, you're not gonna get 100 watts total. You're gonna get only 45 because you actually splitting the capability of charging with this device. Now to add the Elite GO Pro to your OBS, just click the plus sign, add as a video capture device, and choose Elite GO Pro, and that's it. The same method is very similar to Melt Studio and Streamlabs, so you just follow the steps and it should be easy to add it to your broadcast software. Now, I also tested this setup in a real live stream with no quality issues at all, and it performs just as expected. I will drop links to those streams in the description if you would like to see more results in action. And that's it. This is definitely an accessory I recommend if you have a Nintendo Switch 2 or pretty much any other handheld console. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you wanted to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can don't miss any more future uploads on this channel. Also, if you're looking for a good USB mic to go with this setup, check it out this video right here, or take a look at our tech review playlist right here. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.